Ever since the C word, the US has been averaging almost 500,000 new business registrations every single month, a 50% uptick since 2019. Every one of these new businesses needs a website. Now, how do we actually make money doing that? Well, I'm going to show you there's one very important tool you need, and that is software that will let you operate as an agency. This is not like Wix or another software platform where people can build their own websites. This is a special type of platform that lets you develop websites and other digital assets for clients, and everything runs inside one account that you own, but each one of those clients has their own accounts that they can log into and you can log into and manage together. Okay, that's the difference. That's what I'm going to show you here today. Let's dive in. So at the agency level here in my account, you can see there's hundreds of templates here for websites. The first thing you're going to want to do, if you do decide to go this route, is set up your own website. You would filter by marketing agency here, and you can choose any one of these templates. That would be what you would say, hey, this is my business, right? You're going to run on these websites. You can create as many of these as you want for free. All right. Then whatever type of business that you are going to be helping set up a website for, say, example, pressure washing, right? There's some pressure washing templates here. Let's choose a template. All right. So now this template's loaded up. You can see everything's already pre-built. You can just double click on stuff. You can change text, drag things around. Super easy. If you can use Microsoft Word, you can easily configure this. Here's the cool thing. You can sell these websites before you actually set any of them up. Show you what I mean. If you click up here to publish, it's going to publish the site live. You can then literally give these websites away as lead magnets or foot in the door offers, or as like a first 30-day free trial for the first month, and just change out the logo and the text for the business. And if it's a brand new business owner, this is going to be more than enough for them. And then once they like the website, you can then upsell them on the AI services. You can add in AI-powered chat widget. You can add in AI voice, so you can connect a phone number so people can click to call and they can have a 24/7 voice receptionist. You can train the knowledge base on the website. You can put the address right in here, and you can have it train on everything that you set up for the business. You can even set up AI Google reviews, so that way they get automatic review requests sent out, and the AI system replies to the Google reviews on their Google business profile, all inside of this one agency account. Now, I know this might seem like a lot, but I have a free Skool community you can jump in. Covers all this stuff. There's 10 modules in here. It's a 90 days free course. Links in the description. We go through everything top to bottom, how to get clients, how to set everything up, setting up the AI. It's all there. Guys, building websites and selling AI services is not dead. It's not saturated. 5 million plus new businesses every single month. Go on Google Maps yourself and look and see there's so many businesses that are listed now that don't even have websites. You could just call them up, send them the link and say, hey, I built you a website. And the agency software will let you set up automatic billing for them right into your bank account every single month. That's why it's so important to use agency software and not and consumer software platforms like Wix and stuff to try and build websites as a business for folks. All right. Hope that's helpful. See you in the Skool community. Later.